Ever stumbled across those flashy ads promising free crypto from LyraxisAi, claiming you can grab thousands of Lyraxis tokens just by connecting your wallet and completing simple social tasks? It sounds like a dream come true for any crypto enthusiast, but when something seems too good to be true, it usually is, and LyraxisAi is no exception. The first thing that jumps out is the token math. The numbers they advertise simply don't add up. And when you dig into the supply and distribution claims, it raises immediate questions. They talk about a community airdrop of 350 million tokens out of a 1 billion total supply. Yet the user base and token allocations they claim seem completely unrealistic. Then there's the wallet connection setup. Anytime you're asked to link your main wallet for what's essentially a speculative free token drop, it opens up possibilities for spam, phishing, or worse. Especially since the platform asks for task completions like social shares that could track or expose your information. Even if someone somehow ends up with 10,000 Lyraxis tokens, the promised dollar value around $100 is purely hypothetical without a real exchange listing or liquidity. And that's not the only oddity. Their white paper is missing, official exchange announcements are nowhere to be found, and even the airdrop dates seem to shift depending on which page you look at. Users online have reported confusion with claims, some showing they qualified without completing tasks, others with suspiciously large balances that just don't make sense. There's a lot to question here, and whether you're skeptical or curious, the inconsistencies make it clear that connecting your wallet isn't as straightforward or as risk-free as the ads suggest. At the very least, it's a reminder to approach these flashy crypto airdrops with caution. Verify the numbers, and never assume a free token is truly free without doing your homework first.